Hey, good morning. What's up, YouTube? Hey, this Biker Caliente. I'm here in Memphis at a place called 360 Wheel Repair. 360 Wheel Repair. They actually specialize in repairing cracked wheels, cracked rims. If you guys been hitting potholes and road buckles, if you are in this area, this is a place here in Memphis that can fix your bent wheels. They do front end alignments, they do wheel balancing, they do custom cars, they do all types of wheel repair. I'm gonna pan the camera around and show you guys my car. So I have the wheels off. They actually got the wheels off on my car. See the other side there. Okay, they specialize in wheel repair. It's called 360 Wheel Repair. I'm gonna pan the camera around so you guys can see their sign. So they do cracked wheels, wheel repair, wheel refinishing, alignments, and suspension repair. And I didn't know what to expect, but I can promise you, man, these guys know what they're doing. They didn't want me to film the process of them repairing the wheels, but I was standing there with the guy. They know exactly what they're doing to repair the wheels. If you guys are in the Memphis area and you've been having some problems with your wheels, look at that. They got all kinds of wheels here. High-end cars, special cars. They know what they're doing. They know exactly what they're doing. Let me pan this around. So, let's see. There's my wheels there. I think they got those already repaired. Let me turn this camera around. So yeah, they got those wheels. They took them off. As soon as I pulled in, they took the wheels off. Dismounted the tires off of the wheel. They spin them around to check to see if they're bent. And they showed me, hey man, you got some bent wheels. So I'm getting all 4 wheels repaired here at 360 Wheel Repair. If you guys are in the Memphis area and you're having some problems with your wheel, come on down to 360 Wheel Repair in Memphis.